Plastic channel. Types, production, applications, and benefits. This video delves deeply into the versatile use of plastic channels across various industries. Explore further to discover more about topics like: what are plastic channels? Plastics used in manufacturing plastic channels. Production process of plastic channels. Applications of plastic channels. And much more. Chapter 1. What are plastic channels? Chapter 2. What types of plastics are used in manufacturing plastic channels? The following plastics are commonly used in manufacturing plastic channels. Polyvinyl chloride. Chlorinated polyvinyl chloride. Acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. High-impact polystyrene. Green Ross vinyl. Polyethylene plastic. The key polyethylene grades used in plastic channel production include ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, high-density polyethylene, medium-density polyethylene, low-density polyethylene, polypropylene plastic, thermoplastic elastomer, thermoplastic polyurethane, polycarbonate plastic, cellulose acetate butyrate, Chapter 3. What is the production process of plastic channels? Plastic extruders operate with three main zones, each integral to the manufacturing process. Co-extrusion. Chapter 4. What are the leading machines used for producing plastic channels? Some of the leading machines used in this process. Conair Extrusion Series. Davis Standard Thermatic Series. Millicron T Series. Battenfeld Cincinnati Sol EX. Coperion ZSK MC18. Chapter 5. What are the applications of plastic channels? Plastic channels are used in the following products. Edge trims. Trim seal. Plastic rails. Cable raceway. Latching raceways. Slotted cable raceways. J-channel cable raceway. Corner ducts. Wire guards. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right plastic channel manufacturers for your needs.